evening, children and viewers. My name is España, and in this time I'm going to talk about the English vowel sound. This time I'm going to talk about English vowel E-patch, and these are short single vowels. Okay, let's begin. The first one is this sound is in like in feet, big, difficult. The second vowel is at, like this sound is in bed, send, attention. This sound is like in pat, flat, family. This sound is but we have to like a swap, like in cut, jump, cover. This sound is put, like in put, boot, caution. This vowel sound is up, like in pot, dot, hospital. This vowel sound is at, like in about, system, complete. Okay, let's continue. This time I'm going to explain about the English vowel IPA and long single vowels. Vowel phonetics and symbol. The IPA symbols in words. The vowel, the sound of this vowel is higher and close. Like this sound is in weak, fade, medium. This vowel sound is like in hard, park, article. This sound vowel is off, like in fork, walk, hours. This vowel sound is R, like in hard, word, surface. This vowel sound is a little as a 10 sounds. It's like good, like in boot, group, beautiful. Okay. Here I'm going to explain about the diphthong. The diphthong is a double vowel which is producing one word and one symbol in one word. Okay, this diphthong is a. This sound is in place, late, dangerous. This diphthong is like in home, phone, global. This diphthong, the sound is like in mounts, brown, account. This diphthong, the sound is clear, like in clear, fair, real. This diphthong sound is like like in care, where, declare. This diphthong sound is like in boy, toy, angel. This diphthong sound is I, like in find, bite, tiger. This diphthong sound is her, like in toe, to, macho. That's all. Thank you very much.